Good morning, guys. Hey, I'm here in my trailer. We've got it mainly cleaned out. I don't know when I'll put this video on here. I'm going to throw it on here with something because it ain't going to be very long. I just wanted to show you something that maybe some of you already thought of, maybe some of you have not. You got your straps to hold your bike down. Well, let me get over here. I want to show you this. First off, trying to hook this hook up here on your handlebars on a dresser is not easy. It's hard. So what I've had a local guy make is some of these. I've got quite a few of them, and they just wrap around your handlebar, as you can see, and then they go down to where you can hook into. Now you can do it another way and run that strap even farther down, but you can do it any way you want. I don't care. But what I want to show you also is, well, there's my GoPro mount. You guys have seen that one before. Simple GoPro mount, just a piece of angle iron that I ground off here so it won't hit here. I didn't do that at first. But anyway, then you put your GoPro right on there, and it's a pretty good mount. You can catch just a little bit of this light here when you're going down the road, and that's okay because then everybody knows you're on a real motorcycle, not in a pickup truck. Okay, so what I wanted to show you, let's get back to the first thing. I wanted to show you something about these ratchet straps, or the other type of straps. You got all kinds of them here. Here's the other type right here. Sorry about the fast movement. You know, you've got these type, and you tie them on, just the same thing, tie it up there, pull it down, and then get your bike nice and even, and some people will pull it down till it bottoms out. I don't, because I don't want that much spring on my bike. Long as it keeps it from tipping over, I can even probably put another catch here, if I could. There we go. See? Still got another catch I could put right there. I did. But here's what I wanted to show you. See that strap? You see it's hooked up here. And then it's hooked down here. And here's the reason for that. You go down the road, no matter which strap you use, a ratchet strap or your other strap here, either one, your bike, if you don't have it all sucked all the way down, and sometimes you think you do and you don't, if you don't, this thing can move. You hit a big bump, it'll sag down, and then your hook comes undone, and then what happens? Your bike tips over when it comes back up because it's only going to have one strap on it. That's just going to pull it over fast. So what this strap does, it keeps it hooked. Even if this bags out when it bends down, crushes down, whatever you want to call it, bends over, or no matter what, this keeps that one hooked, and it keeps that one hooked. This can get baggy. It won't come undone that way. Otherwise, it could come undone, and then you don't have nothing there. I hope I'm explaining that right. So I just put a couple bungee cords on there. They don't have to be tight. All they got to do is be tight enough that this can't go down far enough to unhook from right there. Because then you're in trouble. So that's what I wanted to show you. I went ahead and showed you some other stuff. Like the GoPro mount. That works good. Oh, wow. Looks like I got lucky. A rock hit that and didn't hit me. But I put the Ethel Evans on here. You might have seen that already. And then I took it for a drive. I ran into some bugs, you know. I'm on a ride. And I noticed I just brought out some window cleaner. Right there it is. I brought some of that out and I cleaned the windshield and the bugs just right off. And the same with the front fairing. They're gone. A couple of them still left I missed. I'll go over that again. It's a little dark in here. Was that even? Yeah, that's a bug. Nope, that was dust. Okay, But that's the bugs came right off of that Ethel Evans stuff. You know, I'm affiliated with it. You can pick it up here on probably on the ad at the bottom of here. But also the Ethel Evans did a good job. I covered it up with this cover right here. And yep, there's my jacket. Been to Sturgis a couple times. When I covered it up, I thought it'd be okay in the rain. It was not. It was covered in rain spots, but I had already put the F11 on it. So all I did is took the glass cleaner again all over the paint. I'm almost out of the F11, so I'm not going to give it another coat right away. But that cleaned it all up. Took all, I mean, it had water spots on from sitting out in the rain, even though it went right through the cover. I got to get a rainproof one. That'll be my next purchase probably. So that's it. The GoPro Mount, showed you that. The F11's working good. Got my new phone holder. That's working good. I did get a new, I can't show you the phone, I'm holding it. But I got a new cover for my phone. The one I put on here was too rubbery. And when I cinched this down, just like this, it wouldn't hold it good. Now with the new, I got an OtterBox protector for my phone. It clips in there real good. I've used it, and then I run a power cord right down there and kept my phone charged. I used it for the GPS. It worked great. So that worked great. The F11 worked great. The Terry Eiler, he got me that stuff there. He got that for me for my birthday, and it's been hanging around. Uh-oh. Looks like Mama's yelling at me for breakfast. But the GoPro works good. We'll be using that again. There's your tie downs. Don't forget those. That's all I got to tell you about this right now. Oh, Sturgis. Oh my gosh. Are we going? Are we not? You'll know probably before this video gets on. That's it. Gotta go eat. The woman's calling me.